In front of me is OPPO Reno 13 and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off high performance mode. Start by opening devices settings and scrolling to hit battery section right away. Now hit battery mode located here. High performance mode will maximize system performance, but also it will increase power usage and might cause your device to heat up. That's why if you are using high performance mode, keep an eye on your device. After tapping on it, you have to confirm your choice in the pop-up to activate it by selecting Turn On. You can remember high performance is on by checking out if you can see this icon at the top of your screen. It's only visible when high performance is enabled. Now, to disable high performance mode, tap on battery mode again and pick any of those. You can tap on balance mode, which is perfect one for daily usage. If your device is running a little low on battery, you can tap on power saving mode to reduce system performance and turn off some features to extend battery life. Or if you are really hanging by a thread, you can click on super power saving mode that will restrict system performance and only allows use of 6 apps at once. If you want to see it now, I can click on it and hit turn on to show you how it looks. To exit it, hit exit at the top left corner and confirm your choice in the pop-up. After that, your device will automatically switch back to balanced. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!